Next piece I'm working on, AI is just a phone call away, is one thing she really struggles with is calling call centres because of the inability of her to get a communication across. So I'm working on something right now. It's partly in progress. It's not done yet. But Caitlin, I think you might have a phone call about to come in. So some of you may recognise who this particular person is. Let me just run my script here. And
it's Matt calling all the way from Japan.
It's Matt.
Hello to all my Ruby friends from Australia. I hope you have been having an amazing time the last 2 days. Caitlin, I heard that you and Toby have done a great job of MCs for the event. I think the audience should give you a big round of applause.
Now, in terms of the architecture for what I built with what Caitlin received the call, so I'm using Ruby backend, 11 labs to do the voice cloning, and Twilio to do the phone call transfer. So it's very simple. It's just an API call to 11 labs with the text. Very quickly, it returns the audio as a binary file. You shoot that off to Twilio. Off it goes as the phone call. Now, I want to show you this code, not because you need to understand the code per se, but to show you that in order to run voice cloning, like this is it. Once you've trained the model, which is a drag and drop, then you're basically making an API call, sending in the data that you want it to clone, and off you go. And then if you add that to the key Twilio code, I've just had someone's phone number in there, which I've closed off, then this is simple. And the point I want to make about this whole presentation is AI, well, it's not just a phone call away, but actually it's an API call away. And what used to take a machine learning expert who'd done master's degrees and all these sorts of things, which I started doing, and I stopped because the technology was outpacing the lecturers. I had no idea what was happening. But now, as a Ruby dev, things that you couldn't even do a year ago or a machine learning expert would find hard, you can do with ease now.